Earlier, we printed product labels. Now you will print the box label, which must be attached to the outside of your shipping box. When the driver arrives to collect your package, they will scan this label, and it provides them with the exact destination information. Place the sheet into my regular printer, print the labels, peel them off, and attach them to the side of the box. Always place the shipping label on the side of the box rather than the top. Amazon recommends this because boxes are often stacked on top of each other during transport. If the label is on the top, the barcode may be scratched or damaged, which can prevent the carrier from scanning it. A damaged barcode increases the risk of your shipment getting lost, so always attach the label to the side. Print the label, peel it off, and stick it to the side of the box. Even if the label is slightly larger than the box surface, you can place it neatly in two parts, but make sure the barcode is fully visible and easy to scan. After attaching the label, find the section that says View Tracking Details. Here, your tracking number will be displayed. Copy this number because you will need it during the collection booking process. Now we enter stage 3, which is scheduling your collection.